Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox One and keep all your games and apps. So this is relatively easy to do. So if you are having a problem with your Xbox One, go up to Settings and select this, and then go on down to System, and then go to Right and go to Console Information. Then under here, let's go to Reset Console. Now it says Reset your Xbox One. If you reset your Xbox One, it will restart and erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations. You can choose whether to erase your installed games and applications. So you have two options. If you're going to be reselling your Xbox One, reset and remove everything right here. Now, if you're just doing it because there's some sort of error or problem, you can go to Keep My Games and Applications right here. Now, you're going to have to sign back in with your account because it will erase all accounts, save games as well. But if you have Xbox Game Pass or Xbox Live, your games should be saved automatically to the cloud. Then all your settings you will have to redo as well. So go to Reset and Keep My Games and Applications right here. And you won't have to re-download any of your games over the night, and that could take like 10 to 15 hours. But if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.